Welcome to a new video. Today we're going to be attaching some red accent trim to our car. Let's go take a look.
Alright, so your tools for this video are going to be a pair of scissors, some rubbing alcohol, and some paper towels. Now they had all different kinds of styles of the trim. They had like carbon fiber and all kinds of different colors and chrome and whatnot. I went ahead and got the red because you guys know with my car I'm going all black and red. Yeah, this is all you're going to need, so let's go ahead and get right to it. Alright, so we're going to be attaching some of this trim to right here in front of our mirror, and then if we go back here in front of our last window, we're going to be attaching some here along this line as well. And we'll go ahead and get those spots cleaned up with our alcohol before we make our cuts and everything. To clean our spots, we're just going to take a paper towel that's folded up and grab some of our alcohol. Just kind of dab it on there, get a good coating, and then we're going to take that and rub it on our spots on the car. We'll pick this up. There we go. And we're going to clean this area here. We'll go ahead and clean just a little bit of that chrome, even though we're not going to be attaching it there. We don't want any contaminants near the area. Now that we've cleaned the area with alcohol and let it dry, we can go ahead and begin measuring how much we'll need and make our cuts. Alright, so I went ahead and followed the contours of those lines, tapered off the ends here, and now all we have to do to attach these pieces is just peel off this backside of the 3M adhesive. So let's go ahead and get that started. This can be a little difficult for some of these because this stuff is so sticky, but if you got a good nail, you can just go ahead and peel all that off. And I'm gonna go ahead and attach this to the car, and then we'll move the camera up there and I'll show you what it looks like. Alright, so this is the first piece attached here. It looks pretty good. We can also use the scissors to kind of taper off the ends just a little more, but we'll do that later. We'll go ahead and get our back end done now. Same as before, we followed the lines on the car, went ahead and tapered off the edges to match those, and we'll just go ahead and peel off our backing here and then get this stuck onto the car. If I can get this one. There it is. Alrighty, and here is our back piece next to our red and black Deadpool sticker. I think that looks pretty good. I may go ahead and attach a few more pieces and we'll see what that looks like. Went ahead and attached these strips to the other side of the car. There's the back one, and here is the front one up here. It started getting darker a little quicker than I thought it was going to, so we may have to finish this up tomorrow when I have some more daylight. And to wrap it up, I went ahead and added 2 more strips to each of the windows there in the middle, and then over here on this side, the same thing. So there you can kind of see what all 4 look like. I may add some more in the future, but that'll probably be it for this video. If you guys have any questions about the trim or about attaching it to your car, let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you in the next video.